stops me from running. And I want to cry, I can even feel the tears from behind my eyes. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I don't know any other 11-year-old that played at Childline.
Well, being honest, I don't know any 11-year-olds either, but sort of like when you imagine a giant stage and then you think, I'm the little dot. But you know, you just gotta use the stage and just connect with the audience. So I'm just gonna be myself, go out. Don't push me around, I'm already on the ground. Just trying to make a sound, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Do you have any vocal warm-ups that you do?
Yeah, I do. I go to singing lessons and you do there and you do your vocal exercises. So you do them before you perform and then, yeah,
So what sorts of ones would you do?
You do kind of, and then kind of do some, yeah. And then
A bit better at that one.
Yeah.
And you released a video.
Yeah,
Was that fun to shoot?
It was kind of on the off chance really, and we just did it and had great fun. And
It's kind of like acting being in a music video, isn't it?
yeah, I suppose it was a bit weird because like I had the phone in my pocket like playing music and I just walk, so it was sort of random to just be walking along and then suddenly going like this and then but I did it and it turned out to be a really good day. It was just really fun.
And we have a copy of the CD there as well, don't we?
Ta-da!
From the outside in is my EP. It has 4 of my own original songs on it. Dried Apart, Broken, Like My Son and Knock on My Door. Dried Apart reached to 29 in the official Irish chart, so I was very, very happy about. You can have me and my dried apart.
Who would you really like to meet?
My idols would probably be like Pink or Avril Lavigne, which would be a very long shot, but you can always imagine it.
Any words of wisdom from you, Beniche?
Just be good at singing. I'm like, who's not good at singing at all? No, honestly, you're going to be brilliant.
Thank you.
And you know that we've loved you since the very beginning.
Oh,
We've been
no, I love you
championing
too.
you. Oh, look.
Oh, group hug, guys. Oh.